Good morning, good people. How you doing? Welcome back to Stock Up with Larry Jones. I'm not going to ask you to hit the like button. You guys already know that's what I need from you guys. Hey, we're going to try this again this morning, and I'm going to give you some news that you need to know for the stock market. First, I want to know, is everything working okay out there in these? Let's see, is it working? All right, I'm going to keep going on. There we go. There we go. Good morning, good people. Let's prepare for today, Thursday, with everything that's going on in the stock market. All right, there you go. There you go. You guys can hear me well? All right, I'm going to go into some news and let me know if you guys could hear me. Good morning. Good morning. Someone leave me a comment if you could hear me before I go into the open. All right. There we go. Thank you. Thank you guys. You know, these platforms, they're not flawless. All right. So what I'm going to do is go into some brief news that I want you guys to know as you are working. Some of you are heading to work. Some of you are already at work. And we have a few minutes before opening bell. Hey, good morning, good people. Good morning, Austin, Texas. I love Austin, Texas. Good morning from Portugal. Missed it. All right, you can hear me. Thank you. Let me get right into it, good people. I know you guys have busy days. I want to keep the family fed. Hey, look at this. This is Moo, and I get these every morning. If for those of you that have Moo, it tells you what's happening before the bell. All right, let's make sure we download that second link. I'm going to go into some data that I jotted down myself. Walmart beats profits and revenue and also raising its 4-year forecast. That was Walmart, all right? That was Walmart. Good morning, Cincinnati, Virginia Beach. Hey, but theft is a huge problem for stores like Walmart, Home Depot, Target, Walgreens. One of them said it was 3%. 3% of their business lost. Millions and millions of dollars lost to theft. And that's why they are closing stores. And it's not good. Walmart has closed a lot of stores in a lot of cities, such as Chicago, because of theft. And some of the grocery stores, the big grocery stores, are doing the same thing because of theft. Theft is a big problem. And it's not just an internal problem, but it's also a problem with cities and them letting these punks and these thieves, carjackings are up and all of that because a lot of policies are weak on these offenders. We need to hear the truth. When they wake up, especially in some of these big cities, and do the right things, they'll see a decline in crime. All right? I'm just going to keep it that way. I got a friend that opened up a grocery store and had to close it because of theft. All right. And the laws that protect the thieves. OK, if they are walking out with a less than $10,000 in a shopping cart, anyway, they tell employees don't do anything. All right. I'm going to spit it to you. I'm going to spit the truth every single time. Watch out. All right. So here's another thing. Montana's governor, all right? Montana's governor is the first governor in the nation to do a ban on TikTok, effective January 1. So Montana's governor plans on banning, he says he's banning TikTok. Now, how he's going to do that, no one knows. I don't know how he's going to do that. Hey, good morning. Good morning. All right, Bahamas. Got to get back there. Yep, because they don't prosecute. You're absolutely right. All right, we're going to get back to that. I'm gonna be a lightning rod this morning. All right, Asian and European markets are up higher because of the U.S. debt. They're following us as the U.S. debt. Oil prices ease on the same news as U.S. dollars move positive. So the U.S. dollar is moving positive. But you guys know when the U.S. dollar moves positive, stock market goes negative, right? Yesterday I talked about Tesla. You guys couldn't hear it because of platforms having these issues, right? Elon, CEO of Tesla, most likely to achieve full autonomy this year. Okay. All right. Let's see here. The Chicago and Atlanta Fed said that they both suggested, or they're both leaning towards pausing interest rates in June. I don't want to miss opening bell. I got 3 minutes. Kevin McCarthy and the president, laid out the groundwork for talks, but they have not come to any kind of agreement. So the market will be bouncing based on what they say. For those of you that remember 2011 like I do, one day, oh, it looks good. Next day, nothing. Next day, we're so close. And the next day, talks fell apart. And the market will start to react accordingly. So just get ready for the rodeo ride, right? Just get ready. Just tie your hands down because you're about to ride the bull, okay? Housing permits were down because builders are not building as much. They're scared of what's ahead. Because of higher interest rates, younger buyers cannot afford the homes that they wanted. So these deals are falling apart. There's a slowdown because they cannot afford the houses that they want. The builders know this, so they're pulling back. Hence, the permits to build is pulling back. So housing is coming to a, slowing down because of these things. All right, good people. All right. I just wanted to let you guys know. Hey, good morning. Good morning. Hey, man, Florida in the house. Yep. I see. Hey, blessings, my brother. Good morning. Still, someone can't hear me? I don't get it. I don't get it. I'm up. Let me know if you guys. So let's go here. All right. Well, we got 1 minute left, right? We got 1 minute left before opening bell. We're going to go right in the opening bell. Hey, good people, you guys know before we go in the opening bell, people are asking me, hey, is it still time for this? And the answer is yes, there is still time. Get your 20 free stock by downloading the second link below. Just get your 20 free stock funded. They may call you. Yes, it is them. That is Moo. Okay, good people. That's what we want to talk about. And we got 30 seconds left. Also, too, there's a lot of you that are new signers for the Stock Up University. Come join the family, good people. I'm telling you, it's stuff in here you need to know. If you like how Stocks with Josh does charts, there's a beginner course in here so you can understand not only what he's talking about, you can do it yourself. All right, let's go. We'll come back to that. Let's see what they're talking about.
Cast members did respond to Musk. Mandy Patinkin, who played Inigo Montoya, tweeted, "I do not think it means what you think it means." And I guess there's going to be that kind of reaction.
Well, that was from the movie as well,
right.
Where there was.
And Mandy he's an intellectual, terrific guy.
I do not think it means what you think it means.
But
great to see reactions.
Did he address the revenge aspect, that he's been in the revenge business for so long?
I don't know what to do.
Yeah, Patinkin's pretty active on the platform that Elon owns. There is that. Let's get to the opening bell here in the CNBC Real-Time Exchange. At the big board, it's Arena Group celebrating the launch of the 2023 Sports Illustrated swimsuit issue. At the NASDAQ, it's Alchemy Investments Acquisition Corp. 1 celebrating its recent IPO. So, Jim, highest close of the year is 41.79. And we started to make moves in that direction yesterday.
Well, I think that we're back in that market that we existed for. I don't know how people remember how long. It was 2012 to 2020 where we had a group of stocks called FANG, and they moved it. They moved the market. They became so large that they could do that.
Yes. Do you have a U.S. based? Yes, it is Fidelity. It's Fidelity. All right. Fidelity is what I have. I started out with my Roth with Fidelity. It is a legacy company. The question was, do you have a U.S. Trading company that you prefer other than Robinhood? It is Fidelity. Man, I'm just telling you, Fidelity allows you fractional shares. and all of that. And I just will tell you, it's a legacy broker, especially for those of you that are doing like retirement funds and stuff like that. When should you start a retirement fund? As soon as possible. I don't care if you're 20. Start your retirement fund, especially if you could get tax-free money, right? Yes, sir. Okay. Yep. I have no ideas. Is Rocket Lab a buy? I don't know. I'm gonna be straight with you. Hey, good morning. So that's some of the stuff that I wanted to quickly go on, and I'm gonna just start giving you guys, news you need to know to get on with your day. Let's look at crypto, shall we? There we go. It has stabilized. Bitcoin is 27.2, as we can see. Ethereum 18. Solana cooled off. It was Matic. It's flat, but it was mostly green on yesterday. All right. Yep. There you go. Love Fidelity is easy. What I like about Fidelity, you can make portfolios within portfolios, right? So I built an ETF portfolio, right? Right in the app, and then I built a low cap, and then I built a blue chip. Then you can build, like, let's say, a dividend, and you can put them all in these separate sectors. It's very easy to use, very safe. All right. Virgin Galactic. But it doesn't matter, good people. I'm just telling you, I have multiple ones. I have multiple brokers because they are all regulated, period. They're like the banks, right? You saw what happened to the banks. They cover people's money. They're all regulated, and I think you'll be good. But I'm not a fan of Robinhood. Anytime you stand a chance of making big money and they always freeze it, deuces. Yep. Yeah, that's crazy. Yeah, that's It's like you take the girl to the, you had a wedding, and she like, oh yeah, baby, oh yeah, hey, girl, when I get you home, and then boom, she go, nope. But we got married. We good now. You told me, and she go, nah, I changed my mind. That's Robinhood. Hey, good morning, Mama Trader. How can you open a retirement account with Fidelity? That's a great question. Let me just tell you guys this. Listen, you guys need to know this. You absolutely need to know this. You want to open a Roth IRA. Just look at it. I'm just suggesting, okay? With a Roth IRA, you can put $500 a month in, right? In a Roth IRA. And when you get ready, the IRA is a retirement fund. And you can open that up in Fidelity. You could trade stock within it, right? But if you keep that money in there, minimum of 5 years, and until the age of 59 and a half, right? And you may be 25 and you may say 59 and a half is far away. Okay, I got news for you. It's not. Then you'll be able to take that money out without paying capital gains tax. You could have $1 million of tax-free money in no time. As a matter of fact, I'm going to see if I could play this. I haven't edited it, but I just want to play this for you guys.